Hey everyone! Ever had a great idea for a story but got stuck on the blank page? Well, today we're diving into the world of AI-powered creativity with an app called AI Story Generator. It's a fun tool designed to help you create unique stories in seconds. First things first, let's head over to the Microsoft Store and download it. One of the great things about apps from the Microsoft Store is how simple the setup is. The program downloads and installs automatically in the background, so there's really no further action needed on your part. Once it's all done, just find it in your Start menu and click the Open button to fire it up and see what it can do. Okay, once you're in the app, this is where the magic happens. The first and most important step is to type a prompt describing the kind of story you want. You could write something simple like, a brave knight and a friendly dragon. After that, you get to fine-tune the details. You can choose the story's length, select a specific theme or genre like fantasy or sci-fi, and finally, pick your language. Once you've got everything set, you just hit generate, and within a few seconds, the AI crafts a completely new story for you. It's an incredibly fast way to create a custom bedtime story or just spark some creative ideas. So, to wrap it up, the AI Story Generator is a super fun and creative tool, whether you're looking for inspiration to beat writer's block or just want to create unique stories on the fly. If you found this quick look helpful, make sure to hit that like button. For more reviews of cool apps and tech tips, don't forget to subscribe to the Easy Digital Life channel. Thanks for watching.